Well, as you may or may not be able to see, I mixed up about 50 times as much epoxy as I needed because one of the tubes on the double plunger dispenser was stuck, and when it came unstuck it gushed out. And this is fairly quick set stuff. It's starting to get thick on me. So I'm going to goober a little bit on here. Some on both sides. Stabilize the wires, that's the goal. Stabilize the wires. Now, I mean, you could have replaced the whole battery cable with a new one. This is called cobbling. And some of us old cobbers like to cobble things back together with whatever we happen to have on hand at the time. Looks okay to me, Daddy-o. Looks like I got my tail rotor in the flux lid. I'm gonna have to make sure it's clean before we go do a flight test.